Welcome back to Easy Way to Learn Maths. Today in this session let us discuss about system of circles, angle between intersecting circles and common chord, common tangent and equation of the circle passing through the intersection of a circle and a line and passing through the intersection of two circles. Now angle between two intersecting circles is cos theta is equal to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2 r1 r2. Here d is nothing but the distance between the two centers, that is nothing but c1 c2 bar, and you can use this formula also. Cos theta is equal to c plus c dash minus 2d 2g g dash minus 2f f dash by 2 into root of g square plus f square minus c into root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. Okay, and if the angle is like this, here the two circles are intersecting at these 2 points, then angle between these two circles is nothing but at these points of intersection you have to draw the tangents, this one and this one. Then this is called the angle between the two intersecting circles. Now if the angle between these two tangents is 90 degrees or the two intersecting circles are said to be orthogonal, then the condition is 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash, or d square is equal to r1 square plus r2 square. Orthogonally means the angle between the two tangents or the two intersecting circles is 90 degrees. That is, if you substitute in place of theta 90, then cos 90 is 0. Therefore, here this numerator part becomes 0. Therefore, d square minus r1 square minus r2 square equal to 0. Then from this we derive d square is equal to r1 square plus r2 square. Or if we take this formula, then here the numerator is c plus c dash minus 2g g dash minus 2f dash f dash equal to 0. Then in this case c plus c dash is equal to 2g g dash plus 2f f dash, which is an important constant. Then the common chord of s and s dash is s minus s dash equal to 0 or s dash minus s equal to 0. The common tangent of these two circles is s minus s dash equal to 0. Common chord means like this. This one is called common chord. And common tangent is, here in this case the two circles are touching, not intersecting. This one is called the common tangent at the point of contact. Then s plus kl represents a circle passing through the points of intersection of s is equal to 0, which is the equation of a circle, and L equal to 0 is the equation of a line. Here it is like this. Then the line is like this, L. Then the circle is this one. Either s plus kl, or in case of two circles s and s dash. Okay, then lambda s plus mu s dash equal to 0 represents a circle passing through the points of intersection of s is equal to 0 and s dash equal to 0. Can also be written as s plus k s dash equal to 0, where k is equal to mu by lambda. This dotted circle represents the circle which is passing through either the point of intersection of the circle and line or the points of intersection of the circuits also. Okay, now based on these properties, let us solve some problem. Okay, find the k if the following pairs of circles are orthogonal. Orthogonal means the angle between the two circles is 90 degrees. We know that the condition, if they are not orthogonal, then it has to satisfy 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. Now applying this condition, let us solve the value of k. Here first circle is represented by S, second circle is represented by S dash. Then here G is equal to, here x coefficient is not exist, therefore G becomes 0, and F is equal to B, and C is equal to minus K. Here in this circle G dash is equal to A, F dash is not exist, therefore y coefficient F dash equal to 0, and C dash is equal to 8. Now let us substitute in this equation. Since orthogonal, 2G dash plus 2F dash equal to C plus C dash. Now let us substitute. 2 into G, 0 into G dash is A, plus 2 into F, B into F dash is here also 0 is equal to C minus K plus C dash is 8. Therefore 0 plus 0 is equal to minus K plus 8. Shifting minus K to LHS, then K is equal to 8. Which are short answer questions, very short answer questions. Now here in this case same question. Here also these two circuits are orthogonal, and hence by using that same condition we have to derive the value of K also. Here in this case Z is equal to minus 5 by 2, F is equal to minus 7, and C is equal to minus 34. For this circle G dash is equal to 1, coefficient of here, the coefficient of x is 2, 2Z is equal to 2, therefore Z is equal to 2 by 2, which is nothing but 1. G dash, here F dash is equal to 2 and C dash is equal to K. Again, since they are orthogonal, then 2G G dash plus 2F F dash is equal to C plus C dash. Therefore 2 into G minus 5 by 2 into G dash 1 plus 2 into F minus 7 into F dash 2 is equal to C, here minus 34 plus C dash K. Now let us simplify. 2 to cancel it. Minus 5 plus 7 2s are into 2, minus 28 is equal to minus 34 plus K. Here minus 28 minus 5, minus 33 is equal to minus 34 plus K. Shifting this one to LHS, therefore K is equal to 34 minus 33, that implies K is equal to 1 in this case. Now find the angle between the circles. Here also the formula is cos theta is equal to C plus C dash minus 2G G dash minus 2F F dash by 2 into root of G square plus F square minus C into root of G dash square plus F dash square minus C dash. Now let us find again here also G F C and G dash F dash C dash. Therefore here Z is equal to minus 6, F is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 41. Here G dash is equal to 2, F dash equal to 3, and C dash is equal to minus 59. Let us substitute in this problem. Therefore that is equal to C plus C dash 41 minus 59 minus 2 into G dash minus 6 into 2 minus 2 into F dash minus 3 into 3 by 2 into root of G square plus F square minus C. Therefore 36 plus 9 minus 41 into root of G dash square plus F dash square minus C dash 4 plus 9 plus 59. Therefore that is equal to here 41 minus 59 minus 18, here plus 12 2s are 24 plus 24, here also plus 6 3s are 18 plus 18 by 2 into root of here 36 plus 9 45, 45 minus 41. 4 into root of here 59 plus 9 68. 68 plus 4 72. 72. Here plus 18 minus 18 cancelled. Then that is equal to 24 by 2 into root 4, 2 into here 36 2s are 72. Therefore this can be written as 6 root 2. Therefore here 2 2s are 4, 4 6 are 24. Here also 24. That is equal to 1 by root 2. That is nothing but cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore theta is equal to 5 by 4 in this case. Okay. Now show that the angle between the circles is 3 pi by 4. Here already given the angle. We have to prove that it is nothing but 3 pi by 4. Now again, by using these two circles, let us find G of C and G dash, F dash, C dash. Then here from this circle, G is equal to 0, F is equal to 0 and C is equal to minus A square. From this circle, G dash is equal to minus A by 2, F dash is equal to minus A by 2 and C dash is equal to 0. Again, formula same. Cos theta is equal to C plus C dash minus 2G G dash minus 2F F dash by 2 into root of G square plus F square minus C into root of G dash square plus F dash square minus C dash. Let us substitute. Therefore, cos theta is equal to C plus C dash minus A square plus 0 minus A square plus 0 minus 2G 0 G dash minus A by 2 minus 2 into F again 0 F dash minus A by 2 by 2 into root of G square plus F square minus C. It becomes simply A square and again root of G dash square plus F dash square minus C dash. Here G dash square is A square by 4, F dash square also A square by 4 minus 0. Now let us simplify. Here this part 0, this part 0. Simply we are getting, that implies cos theta is equal to numerator is minus A square by, here 2 into root A square is A, 2 into A. Here also let us observe A square by 4 plus A square by 4 is 2A square by 4. 2 2s are 4. Therefore it becomes simply A by root 2. Okay. Then here A square cancelled. Therefore that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2. Therefore here it is nothing but minus 1 by root 2, because 2 can be written as root 2 into root. Therefore then if cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2, then theta must be 135 or simply 3 pi by 4. Okay. Now let us solve some more problems. Now if the angle between the circles x square plus y square minus 12x minus 6y plus 41 equals 0 and x square plus y square plus kx plus 6y minus 59 equals 0 is 45 degrees, find the value of a. Here also the angle is already given, is given as 45 degrees. That is theta is in this case 45 degrees or cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Now again let us find G of C, G dash, F dash and C dash. Therefore Z is equal to minus 6, F is equal to minus 3 and C is equal to 41 and G dash is equal to, from this problem, K by 2, F dash is equal to 3, C dash is equal to minus 59. Formula cos theta is equal to C plus C dash minus 2G G dash minus 2F F dash by 2 into root of G square plus F square minus C into root of G dash square plus F dash square minus C dash. Given theta is equal to 45 degrees. Therefore cos 45 is equal to C plus C dash 41 minus 59 minus 2 into g dash minus 6 into k by 2 minus 2 into f dash minus 3 into 3 by again 2 into root of g square plus f square minus c, therefore 36 plus 9 minus 41 into root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash, therefore k square by 4 plus 9 plus 59. Now cos part 5 is 1 by root 2, therefore that is equal to here 41 minus 58 minus 18, here 2 to get cancelled, therefore minus plus 6k, here also minus 2 minus plus 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18 plus 18 by 2 into here 45 minus 41 root 4, which is nothing but 2 into root of here k square by 4 plus 59 plus 9 68, here plus 18 minus 18 cancelled and 2 1s are 2 3s are, therefore 3k, that implies 1 by root 2 is equal to 3k by 2 into root of k square by 4 plus 68. Now cross multiplication, that implies now this one to LHS 2 into root of k square by 4 plus 68 is equal to here 3 root 2k, 3 into root 2 into k. Now squaring on both sides, then 2 becomes 4, here root cancelled, k square by 4 plus 68 is equal to here 3 square 9, 9 2s are 18k, 18k square. Then simplification, 4 4 cancelled, simply k square plus 4 into 68 is equal to 18 k square. Let us shift this one to RHS, then 18 plus 18 k square minus k square, it is nothing but 17 k square is equal to 4 into 68, therefore k square is equal to 4 into 68 by 17, 17 4s are, therefore 4 4s are 16, therefore k square is equal to 16, then k is equal to plus or minus 4. Okay. So here by using the condition that if it is the angle 45 degrees, then the k show that the given circles intersect orthogonally. Here given that we have to prove that these two circles are intersecting orthogonally, that means these two circles satisfying the condition 2g dash plus 2f dash is equal to c plus c dash. Now let us prove. Here z is equal to minus 1, f is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 7. Here in this circle you have to observe that the coefficients of x square and y square is 3. So that before going to find the values of g dash, f dash and c dash, you have to divide the total equation with 3. Then it becomes x square plus y square minus 8 by 3x plus 29 by 3y is equal to 0. Now you have to find the values of g dash, f dash and c dash. Therefore here g dash is equal to minus 8 by 6, f dash is equal to 29 by 6, c dash is equal to 0. Now let us find 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to, therefore 2 into g minus 1 g dash minus 8 by 6 plus 2 into f minus 1 f dash 29 by 6. Therefore here 2 1s are 2 3s are, minus 2 minus plus, therefore that is equal to 8 by 3. Here minus, here also 2 1s are 2 3s are, minus 29 by 3. Therefore minus 29 LCM is 3, therefore that is equal to 3. Same, minus 29 plus 8 minus 21, that is equal to minus 7. Now let us find the value of c plus c dash also. Therefore c plus c dash is equal to, then c is minus 7, c dash is 0, which is also equal to minus 7. say this is 1 and this is 2, then from 1 and 2, then from 1 and 2, 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash, which is nothing but the given two circuits are intersecting orthogonally. Okay, let us conclude with this one. Thank you for watching.